Hope you're not afraid of heights, homeowners, because with summer slipping away and fall coming, no gutters, no glory. As the seasons change, twigs, leaves, dirt, critter corpses, and other debris build up and clog your home's gutters, resulting in rainwater overflowing onto your roof, down your siding, and into your home's foundation, saturating shingles, causing cracks, and manifesting mold. If you want your gutters to keep on guttering and your downspouts to keep on spouting down, you need to clean them out at least twice a year. Here's how. Use a ladder to reach your roof. Be sure you're on level ground and get help from a spotter. Start with your downspouts, clearing debris by hand. Use a hose to spray water down the downspout to ensure it's flowing freely. Flush out the downspout bottom to top to blast out any blockage. Now get going on the gutters, working your way around the house and removing debris by hand and placing it in a bucket. Next, use a trowel to scrape off and scoop up stubborn, stuck-on stuff. Last, flush the gutters with a hose, rinsing out any loose particles. There you have it. You can get your mind out of the gutter. Okay, I'm coming down. You got me?
I got you.
It doesn't feel like you've got me.
I got you.
Are you sure?
I got you, Clean Pup. Let's go.
Uncalled for.